Good day, kabayan and updates. I would like to present to you the Bloom Residences, ang gateway sa investment na nagbibigay daan para sabay ninyong ma-enjoy ang financial growth at lifestyle value. Dito makikita ninyo kung paano isang condominium unit ay pwedeng maging tirahan at investment all at once.
Ang Bloom Residences ay located sa Sucat, Paranaque City, giving you a seamless access to key destination. Malapit ito sa Sucat Skyway Exit, Dr. A. Santos Avenue, SLEX Interchange, SLEX Skyway, NLEX-SLEX Link, Alabang sa Pote Road, Cavitex, Cavitex Interchange, C5 Link, PNR Line, Aguinaldo Highway, LRT Line 1 Extension. Malapit rin tayo sa other upcoming infrastructure projects like Calax Extension, CVTEX, LRT Cavite Extension, SLEX TR4, and Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge. Public transport and major roads and key business districts are all within reach, so you're always connected wherever life takes you. Bloom Residences offers everyday convenience right at your doorstep. Dito ang mga shopping centers like Shopwise, SM City BF Paranaque, SM Hypermarket, SM Bikutan, Alabang Town Center, Mulito Lifestyle Center, Pure Gold, SM City Sucat. Malapit rin tayo sa mga business districts like Alabang CVD, Philinvest Corporate Center, Bonifacio Global City, Mall of Asia, Makati. With regards naman sa hospital, malapit tayo sa Medical Center Paranaque City, Asian Hospital and Medical Center, sa leisure destination, Resorts World Manila, Okada Manila, City of Dreams, Soler Resort and Casino. Ilang minuto lang ang kailangan para makarating sa mga hospitals at leisure areas. Kaya kung para sa kalusugan, mga errands o lifestyle needs, lahat ay madaling puntahan at malapit lang. Sa Bloom Residences, mayroon ding vantage point overlooking the city skyline. For the viewpoints, from the north area, makikita mo ang Makati skyline. On the south side naman, meron kang views ng Paranaque City at Alabang. To the east, you can enjoy the view of Laguna de Bay, while on the west side, makikita mo ang SM City Paranaque. Sa site development plan ng Bloom Residences, meron tayong 3 phases. Unang phase natin is yung phase 1, consists of 6 buildings from A to F. Sa phase 2 naman, consists of 4 buildings at sa phase 3, meron tayong 2 buildings. Bloom Residences is more than just a place to live. Ito ang tahanang nagbibigay ng kompletong lifestyle. Dito may enjoy mo ang resort-style amenities like swimming pools, multipurpose court, sunken basketball court, play areas, outdoor lounges, pocket gardens, 3 courts, pool deck, jog park, open spaces, picnic areas, hammock park, and glamping. Ito naman yung ating amenities and activities from artist perspective. Bloom Residences ay may 6.1 hectare land with a total of 12 residential towers. Sa phase 1, meron tayong 6 towers with 3,303 units. Sa phase 2 naman, meron tayong 4 towers na may 2,866 units. At sa phase 3 naman, meron tayong 2 towers na merong 1,143 units. Ang bawat tower ay may residential floors, 15 floors for phase 1 and 3 at 21 floors naman for phase 2. On average, nasa 38 units tayo per floor with a total of 7,312 units. Mayroon din tayong 1,944 parking slot sa basement at ground floor para sa convenience ng mga nakatera. As per turnover schedule, ang Phase 1 is completed by first quarter ng 2026. Ongoing naman ang turnover for Tower A and Tower B. Sa Phase 2 naman is completed by fourth quarter ng 2029 at sa Phase 3 naman is projected by third quarter of 2026. 41.34 square meter. For 2-bedroom and units with balcony, ang 2-bedroom with mezzanine naman ay 48.42 to 52 square meter at ang 2-bedroom with mezzanine and balcony ay 49.19 to 50.64 square meter. Why do you need to invest in Bloom Residences? Bloom Residences ay smart investment dahil sa high strategic location, malapit sa shopping centers, business districts, NAIA terminal, hospitals at leisure hubs. Mayroon itong resort-style amenities at big open spaces for comfort and wellness. Number 3, with 36% capital appreciation, nag-o-offer ito ng strong value for growth and rental potential. At number 4, bilang multi-awarded development, ang Bloom Residences gives you both pride of ownership and long-term security.
Hi ka-updates! Gusto kong i-share sa inyo in celebration of SMDC Nature, magkakaroon tayo ng grand launch this coming September 26, 2025 sa Conrad Hotel, Manila. Meron tayong big promo available only on September 26. Uulitin ko po, ang special offers na ito ay makukuha lang sa grand launch. Kaya i-invite ko kayo to join and celebrate with us. Kaya naman po, don't miss this one-time opportunity para i-secure ninyo ang best investment nyo at ang dream home ninyo. If interested ka sa video na